Oh my god, we are at Nextopia at Siam Paragon, a new space that has opened recently. They got some cool installations going on, so we're gonna get in and check it out. Let's go. Big jungle boy out here. Heavy Jurassic World vibes. We're definitely heavy on some jungle vibes out here. Everything is green. They got some sort of cave-looking architectures out here. I'm like a Flintstone in a cartoon. Got plenty of cafes, restaurants. Out here, heavy Flintstone vibes, Stone Age type stone, caveman type vibe. Jurassic World. You have these beautiful decorations. If you're into Instagrammable spaces, this spot is definitely for you. This place is a certified Jurassic World in the middle of Bangkok.